Yes, beta. Now I will explain you the radius of the circle. So again I am drawing here one circle. Okay. And just now I told you that each and every circle is having a fixed point in its interior, and that fixed point is called the center of the circle. Suppose here my fixed point is O. So O will be the center of the circle. Now what is radius? See, the line segment. You all know what is line segment. Yes. So the line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. The line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. See, here the fixed point O is present. O is called the center of the circle. Suppose here I am marking a point A. When I will join these 2 points, that is O and A, I will get a line segment. And this particular line segment will be my radius, will be the radius of the circle. The line segment joining the center of the circle, the line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. I have marked here one point A and I have joined both these points, that is O and A, and finally I got the line segment, namely OA. Name of the line segment will be OA. So here OA is the radius of the circle. You understood? Suppose I mark here one more point, that is B. Now I join O and B. So this line segment OB is again the radius of the circle. Another point, if I mark C on the circle and I have joined these 2 points. So the line segment, that is OC, is again the radius of the circle. One more point I am marking here, suppose D. Again I join these 2 points OD. So the line segment OD is again the radius of the circle. One more point I have marked here, I am marking here, E, and I will join these 2 points, and the line segment, that is OE, is again the radius of the circle. One more point I can mark here, F and C. I have joined these 2 points, so OF is again the radius of the circle. So in this way I got so many radius, but so many radius I will not call radius, I will call radii. What is radii? Radii is the plural of radius. Here I am having so many radius, so I will say OA, OB, OC, OD, OE and OF are the radii of the circle. That means a circle can have more than one radius. It can have many radii. Yes? So all these are the radii of the circle. I hope you understood how we can get radius. What is radii? Yes? How we can get the radius? By joining the fixed point, that is center of the circle, and any point on the circle. Only these 2 points we should have, and when we will join the center of the circle and any point on the circle, after joining these 2 points I will be getting a line segment, and that particular line segment will be the radius of the circle. And in each and every circle we can have many radius, and having many radius will be the radii. Radii is the plural word of the word radius. Okay? Understood? Thank you.